Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. So in this video, we'll be seeing expected questions for CA Foundation Business Laws for December 21 exam. And this is not a random guess. This is based on some statistics. So if you look at the statistics, just hold on here just for the next 30 to 45 seconds, you'll get an idea. What we have done is chapter by chapter in the ICAI study mat, Unit 1, Unit 2 of Indian Contract Act. For all the chapters, we have analyzed what question has been tested right from May 18 till July 21 for the past 7 attempts. Let me show you a small sample. Now, if I take LLP chapter, everything that has been tested are new questions. For example, LLP to be wound up by tribunal has been tested in November 20 and never before and never after that. Because there are so many other concepts which are yet to be tested. Let me show this to you in one more chapter also. If you take Unit 2 of Indian Partnership, the big chapter, hardly a question has been repeated. For example, if you take partnership property, goodwill concept, section 14 has been tested only in November 2019 for 2 marks, never before, never after. If you take insolvency of a partner for 4 marks in November 19, never before, never after. These are for majority of the concepts, but some concepts like expulsion of partner, minor as a partner, retirement and all have been tested 1 or 2 times. So this works for all the chapters. So what happens is this will continue until new questions are there. For example, if I take Unit 2 of Indian Contract Act consideration, it's a small chapter. All the concepts have already been tested. If you see agreement without consideration, no contract, no consideration, May 18 for 5 marks, privity of contract, May 19, 4 marks, consideration definition and legal rules, November 19, 7 marks. There are only 3 concepts in this chapter. They are tested once. Now if you see, the trend is over. That means one cycle is over. Second cycle has started. November 20, again agreement has come. Again Jan 21 this came. Now I don't have to tell you. You itself will know that in July 21, based on this trend, only privity of contract or defined consideration and its rules I will expect in the exam question paper. This works for most chapters, except 1 or 2 chapters, this works. Let me show you one more chapter. If I take breach of contract and remedies of Indian Contract Act, not tested in the past 2 attempts, so I can expect in December 21 exam. If I take contingent contract and quasi contract, in Jan 21 not tested, July 21 they tested contingent contract. So in December 21 I can expect highly quasi contract to be there in your question paper. By doing this, we have been doing this for the past 4 to 5 attempts. Let me show you how the marks from this analysis has come in the past. So this is how the analysis will be. I will give you a PDF. The link is available in the description of this video. Chapter by chapter, I have given what all topics I will be expecting. For example, LLP. I'll just show you for one. You just download and see LLP. I have, because for LLP, if you see here, they are only repeating. They are not repeating any concept except 1 to old concepts. Most of them are new questions yet to be tested. Only time it was repeated was this question: how LLP is different from other forms. So here in expected questions, what I have mentioned is what all concepts are important yet to be tested, like annual return, partner by holding out, whistleblowing, all those concepts. Same way for other topics, but something like Companies Act, 1% company has been tested multiple times. So there the analysis will change. For example, now quasi contract, here I wrote quasi contract is important for this attempt. This has been done for every single chapter. For damages chapter, if you see, I have given some topics which I feel might come, like quantum rate, etc. But here also I've given a note. Read fully. To be honest, not tested in the past 2 attempts, so they might test now. So based on this, in the past, if you see, in November 20, from this out of the 72 marks, along with the option 60 marks, 50 questions came from this. 50 marks came from this prediction. Jan 21, 55 marks came. As the attempts keep going, guys, prediction will fall, because when more attempts come, the repetition, when second cycle starts, it's difficult to predict. So we're almost towards end of the cycles for every chapter. So as we keep going, I have to be honest, marks will reduce, but it will not reduce that drastically. So July 21, 41 marks came out of 72 from our prediction, from this prediction summary. So again, I predicted for December 21 exam. So I want to give you a disclaimer. Please don't study only this and go to the exam. You have to study everything. but at least these topics revise extra so that you can be confident. At least ensure you don't skip what is there here. Be smart that way. So some other information I would like to share is, since exams are nearing for you, we also have business laws quick revision videos, 6 hours full syllabus, then business laws past exam questions revision, 14 hours videos, and also we have classes for CA foundation, inter, regular and crash course for all the attempts, whether this December 21 crash or May 22 and further. So for any class, you can always reach out to this number given over here, and we will share the details with you. So all the best for the exams. Thank you guys for staying till here.